Hello! Today we are going to read Elmer the Elephant. Let's read it together. There was once a herd of elephants. Elephants young, elephants old, elephants tall or fat or thin, all happy and all the same color, all that is except Elmer. Elmer was not elephant colored. Elmer was yellow and orange and red and pink and purple and blue and green and black and white. One night, Elmer could not sleep. He was tired of being different. Before the other elephants were awake, Elmer slipped quietly away. Elmer walked through the forest. He met many animals on his way. "Good evening, Elmer." Each time Elmer replied, "Good evening." Elmer found a lake. He looked at his reflection in the water. Elmer started to cry. Whoever heard of a patchwork elephant? "Don't be sad," said the hippo. "But I want to be great like you," replied Elmer. After a long walk, Elmer found what he wanted: berries. Elmer cut hold of the tree and took it and took it, so the berries fell on the ground. Then he picked up a bunch of berries and rubbed all over, covering himself with berry juice until there was not any yellow or orange or red or pink or purple or blue or green or black or white. After that, Elmer set off back to the herd. On the way he passed the other animals again. "Good morning, elephant. Good morning, elephant." Each time Elmer smiled and replied, "Good morning." When Elmer arrived, all the other elephants were sleeping quietly. None of them noticed Elmer as he made his way into the middle of the herd. The elephants were standing absolutely still. Elmer had never seen them so serious before. Elmer felt bored. So he lifted up his trunk and at the top of his voice shouted, "Boo!" The elephants jumped and fell over in surprise. "Was that Elmer?" Then they began to laugh. As they laughed, wind fell over Elmer, washing away the berry juice. His patchwork started to show again. The elephants all cheered. "We love your colors, Elmer!" So, if you happen to see an ordinary gray elephant that day, you will know it must be Elmer. The elephants now decorate themselves on that day to celebrate